Staycation ba ang number 1 sa bucket list ng family and barkada this weekend? Well, I gotcha because today atong bisitahon ng isa ka staycation place that offers an out-of-the-country hills nga naalang yapon diri sa Davao City. And to tell us more about the Red Barn, makakasama po natin si Miss Alyssa. Hi, Miss Alyssa.
Hi.
When did you come up with this kind of idea na having a staycation house?
So it started out as for family use lang talaga because it was an idle land, and then we just had the farm, but then we realized the weather's really nice here, so why not build something that the family can enjoy. But then when the pandemic struck, we realized that this place is something we'd like to share to people here. So we tried it out, tested the waters, opened it during the pandemic, limited it to mga guests of single households para lang keeping everything safe, made sure that we followed safety protocols and cleaning protocols as well, of course, to sanitize each house before and after every guest.
I think during the pandemic also, parang nag-shift din yung travelers na they wanted more nature,
Yes.
mas open.
And local travels because of all the
Yes.
restrictions of traveling.
The name, the Red Barn, I'm so curious about it.
My dad decided to build yung Red Barn structure.
Okay.
Since yun yung pinaka-first na structure that was built here, yun yung name na nag-stick, the Red Barn.
If we talk about staycation, expectation sa mga tao is chill lang, mag-relax lang. So,
Yeah.
what kind of experience ang gusto ninyo ma-offer and you can offer?
We have 3 tiny houses. So, yun talaga yung theme namin. Like, tiny house living, tiny house nation. As you've noticed, when you come here, walang signal masyado.
Yes.
So, it's really a place that people can come to disconnect from the city, disconnect from their responsibilities, and reconnect with the people that they're with. The 3 houses that can fit 4 people each. So typically naman families, tiny house basically has everything you would need for a staycation naman. So we have beds where you're gonna sleep, towels and toiletries for you to use, basic kitchen equipment such as we have a microwave, mini ref. We also have a hot water kettle, utensils. So, but then when you come here, you don't have to worry about cooking kasi we have an in-house cook that can help you prepare your meals. So you just have to bring the ingredients. Yung mga outdoor furniture namin is actually made from EFT, which is environment-friendly timber. It is made from 100% recycled post-consumer plastics. So, if you try to lift the outdoor furniture namin, you can see that it's very solid because we really pack, the company that makes these really packs all the plastic that they can into each furniture just so that we can save them from going into landfills or entering the ocean. We have a farm, a working farm. Small farm lang siya, but we have lettuce, kuchay, which is chives. We also have herbs like rosemary, tarragon, thyme. So when they come visit, they can harvest
Pwede
them
sila
themselves.
mag-harvest. One of the attractions na pwedeng buhaton diri sa The Red Barn is the rabbit feeding, especially sa mga kids. Pero disclaimer lang guys ha, no animals were harmed here because ginapaadto lang sila diri sa tiny houses also of their own para ma-feed sila pag makakaon na sila and then ibalik sila sa ilahang safety place para at least sila ma-overexpose at the same time mabantayan ang ilahang health. let's talk about the rates. Because maybe Alisa okay, na-convince na may magstay, let's go there, pero ay, basig super mahal.
No naman, I think kasi we offer a different type of experience naman from what's available in Davao City right now. So our rates for each house, which is the same naman across all the 3 houses, is 6,099 for weekdays and 6,299 for weekends. Currently, we're not open to walk-ins yet, but then we're trying to work out a system to be able to accommodate them as well.
Let's invite them.
You can search us on Google Maps. You can also reach us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/theredbarndavao. We also have some guests that want to relax even more. We have you can call masahista to come.
Ay, wow. So, pwede magpa-massage also.
Yeah.
How many days ba sila dapat at least magpa-book?
Usually kasi, weekends are filled up quite fast. So, a week at least or 2 weeks prior, you try to contact us on Facebook to secure an overnight slot. I'd like to thank all our guests that give us such great reviews on Facebook because of the experience that they had here. We really rely on these great reviews so that other people can know more about us. There's really so much to see in Davao beyond the city, and we hope that you make Red Barn a stop that you visit when you're here.